Stop. Are you an employer? Do you employ one or more people? Then you absolutely must watch this video. Hope you're well, folks. My name is Ash. I'm from Weber Training, and in this short video we're going to be talking about your legal obligations as an employer with respect to first aid and safety. Folks, not the most exciting subject matter, but it is more vital now than ever for you and your organisation to be legally protected. You are obligated to provide first aid measures, health and safety plans, considerations for well-being for every single person you employ. The suggestion is a minimum of one trained first aider per 25 employees. We strongly suggest training a team, because if your trained first aider is on annual leave, they're not well, you have to have replacements in their stead. You have to have clear protocols, policies, procedures and contingency plans for fire, etc. If you have any chemicals on site, you must clearly display a COSH data sheet. You have to have clear signposted first aid stations with fully stocked kits, okay? Content sheets, make sure that they are full, make sure that they are accessible, they must not contain medication for pain relief. And did you know bandages expire? Quite a few businesses fall foul of a health and safety audit because the stock is not replenished. Please keep control of this, folks. And of course, you need accident and incident and injury reporting mechanisms. What happened? When did it happen? How did it happen? It's accurate record keeping. It is required by law. It protects you and it protects the organisation. Keeping politics out of this one, folks, with the ambulance service and the strikes, etc., industrial action that's happening at the moment, there is more emphasis on ever to you as an employer to make sure that you step up and you have all of the adequate care provided. Please remember, these are not recommendations. It is not suggested. It's not desirable. It's the law. Please do not fall afoul of it. For more information, please have a look at the Health and Safety at Work Act 1974. Folks, I'm Ash from Weber Training. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like any further information, you'd like to talk about our courses, or you just want to reach out with a question, then please do get in contact with the information at the end of this video. Take care, be safe, and I look forward to speaking to you again very soon.